Steven. Oh, sweetie. Are you tired?
Not.
You're not tired?
Just a little bit, maybe?
A little bit.
Not a little bit tired? No?
Would you like some water?
Yeah, here you go. Here's your water bottle. No? You don't want any water? No?
Would you like a blueberry?
Alright, sweetie.
We should point out that it's 6:30 right now.
This is what happens when you skip nap.
And it's 100 degrees outside.
It's about 100 degrees inside, too. He ate all of his chicken nuggets, though. Alright, sweetie. You want to go upstairs and lay down?
Don't cook it.
Okay, let's go upstairs and lay down. Alright? Bye-bye.